Welcome to Car Cave USA. My name's Jake, and today we're going to be diving into this 1990 Mercedes-Benz 280 GE Puch. Do a quick walk around of the outside, go over the history of the vehicle, jump in the interior, the mechanicals, get a good overview of everything that this vehicle has to offer. So starting at the contact patch, this is sitting on 33-inch BFG all-terrain TA tires. It does have a full-size spare. They're wrapped over the Mercedes 5-spoke tires that you can see right there. It's finished in a Mercedes silver metallic or gray metallic. It's got a German name that I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce. It's also got a 45 millimeter lift. It's sitting on Dobinsons suspension. So we'll dive under here and you can see Dobinson shocks, springs come under the vehicle, and you can see this vehicle has had a full body off restoration. We know the shop and guys that did it. There are some good friends of ours out of Poland. This was originally his personal vehicle that he built, and then found one of his dream cars and decided that this one needed to go to make room for his dream vehicle. So Dobinson suspension, again, that's a 45 millimeter lift. I think it just, really accentuates this G-Wagon-esque car. Coming around to the front, this is a custom made all steel front bumper. Definitely gives the vehicle a nice look. It incorporates the front factory skid plate. As you can hear, that thing's solid. It does have a winch box for it. You'll see we did photograph it with a winch. If you'd like one, let us know. We can make that happen for you. Overall, it's in immaculate condition. Obviously, it's just got fully restored, so there's not really a surprise there. And then on the rear, again, you can see it does have an opening for winch in the back if you'd like, integrated lights. The tire carrier is weight bearing on the bumper, but then does integrate into the stock rear door mount. This one's kind of cool. The fuel is in the backside, so that's something unique. You can see it all opens up here. This is a good view of the rear cargo area of this vehicle. Overall very well done. Lots of room for all your adventures. As you can see, it's incorporating the kind of original colorway through here. This is a nice, you have a metal backing for your seat. They do fold down, as you can see, the hinges on both sides. So you have tons of room. I'm gonna rotate the camera down. This is some of the paperwork that we have with it. So you have the original Mercedes pamphlet, again, with all your stickers, service records, stuff like that. And then again, more original 1990s literature. This is your Puch G 4x4. It also has our complete build sheet. So it's got original copy of the original Poland technical certificate, how the vehicle started, full restoration pictures. As you can see, there's the frame. I'll rotate it around so you can see frame off, engine coming out, the original floor pan. This is it going out to paint. And again, you can just flip through and see everything that was completed. Everything was using, as you can see, all the parts, original OEM Mercedes parts. It has pretty low miles. The miles are going to be in the website. I don't have them off the top of my head, but it's been low miles since the restoration. It's been one owner since it's been here in the States. It stayed local to South Carolina. It had service from a G-Wagon specialist, and then it's come back to Car Cave. We'll pack it back right here, and you can see it's just a very nice vehicle. The plaid accentuates that really well. It's got tons of room. I mean, seeing leg room like that in an SUV is kind of rare. And you can pop that open, and we'll come open up the other side. Hopefully you can see with the light coming through how much leg room you got back there. There you go. As you can see, it's nice original webbing. It's not all blown out, nice and tight. Yeah, seat belts, everything you need. It's extremely utilitarian. For those of you that know the G-Wagons, these were incredibly rugged. They conquered the 4x4 game for a lot of the 80s and 90s. They were kind of unstoppable for a large section there. This does have mechanical lockers. So when you pop this open, you can see this does have the M110 2.8 liter inline six petrol engine, and then it's got a 5-speed manual. So again, we'll rotate this down. So you have your lockers here. You have your transfer case here. It does have power windows, so that's quite a nice feature. Those are there. Your 5-speed manual. Oh, I realize I'm showing you the seat and talking about a gearbox. You have your 5-speed manual right here, and those are your windows up and down. You have your e-brake, and then again 3 pedals. We'll hop in, and let's see, we'll get this rotated around. Again, you have your speedo, you have, you know, your temperature, your fuel, lights, oil pressure, everything that you need to know. Front and rear locker alert. And then coming over to the center console, you do have a radio. You have the nice country card, punch that in. Have all your climate control features, your lights. Yeah, very utilitarian, very, exactly what you would expect from a G-Wagon off-roader. Let's see, we'll get this up. There you can see the headliner. Let's see if we can wrap this all the way around. Again, fully restored, so it's, everything is tight, everything is nice and clean and new. These are one thing that's kind of cool. You have your under seat storage box here. We'll pop the hood. You can see the motor on this side in the engine bay. Let's see, where is it? One hand. There we go. And so let's see if I can get this one-handed. There we go. As you can see, so you have your air box and air filter all the way through here. Your brake accessory through here, all the way your distributor, and then your Mercedes inline 6. Some good views of that. Radiator, all that good stuff. Go ahead and drop the hood. Just hold that one-handed. It's not the easiest thing in the world. A nice view of the outside. You can see all the sides of the vehicle. And go ahead. Has a nice solid clunk to it. So a couple other things here at Car Cave. Let's say you see this, you're like, man, I really like this. And like we mentioned with the winch, if there's something that you're like, I'd like to see this performed, or I'd like to see this change, you know, wheels, tires, winches, bumpers, stuff like that, just let us know. And we have a full shop of specialists. Hopefully, if you're checking this out, you can check us out on social media, and every once in a while we'll post up the back side of the shop and what the guys have going on back there. But if you need rare parts sourced, anything along those lines, like, they know their stuff. They find high quality parts that really make these vehicles pop and help them run. So if there's something you see, let us know. Oh, this is something else that's kind of cool. You have your headlight squirters to help clean your lights on either side. And they're well integrated into the grill, so everything is looking nice on there. We also do work with financing. So if you're like, man, I really like this, but I don't want to drop cash on it, we recommend Woodside. We've had great success with them. They're easy, fast. You know, they get the job done. They take care of people, which we definitely appreciate that. So if you have any questions on this vehicle, anything else that you see, or just want to talk about cool cars, let us know. We'll either be online, or you can reach out to us on phone. Check out our website. Our website is www.carcaveusa.com. Drop us a line. Come for a test drive. Come hang out.